Baba, the way things are going now, I need protection. Talk to the gods, do something. Throw something.
My brother, follow God. Your babalawo can just die anytime.
Skopetenya.
Anytime.
What do you mean?
Baba, can you shut up?
But I'm here for you.
Ekufi, you can die at any time.
I will deal with you.
Enjoy yourself.
Open it. Wow. Will you marry me?
Yes, yes. I love you. I'll marry you.
Hello. Excuse me.
Baby, what?
What? Please, please don't baby me. What do you mean baby what? Hey, Angie there. What do you... How do you know he's not calling me? Please.
I just engaged.
See, what's this? Is this one ring? For me are using diamond ring. You are giving me aluminium. Please take your ring. So you want to make me lord of the rings? Please. Angie.
Skopetenya, what's the problem?
I'm not quarreling. Calm down. I thought you called me.
Why will I be calling you? I was trying to seek direction from you guys.
Seek direction to wherever or fire.
Get out. Oh, use the door.
Hey, my village person.
Help me to lock the door.
Lock where?
Help me.
Hey.
Use your number 6. Hey, my brother, sorry for the break in transmission,
Baby.
Wait. What are you doing?
No, now. Sweetheart.
Don't sit down there. You want pear to come out from that nyash?
Wait, now. I was just joking with you. Somebody cannot joke with you. Hey.
I will break this between your head.